Everyone knows how to create lifelike professional voiceovers without hiring a voice actor. Welcome to our 11 Labs tutorial where you'll discover the power of AI generated voices in just a few simple steps. I'll show you how to transform your scripts into captivating audio content that sounds natural and engaging. Let's unlock the future of voiceover together. Hi guys, welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can create professional AI generated. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into ElevenLabs.io. You have your first information. And here we have various options. The first one is we have in research text to speech, speech to speech, text to SVX. We have also a voice cloning, voice isolator, and we have here products, projects. We have dubbing studio, audio native, voice over studio, voice library, and reader app. In the solution we have here scale, enterprise, teams, creators. Industries we have publishing, media and entertainment, conversational AI, and we have customer stories. On APA we have here supercharge your projects with the most powerful AI audio APA. You can just click over API reference and all you can just get started. As you can see, we have your introduction and we have here a various information about that. So how you can get started, have Python library here, and we have here community, and we have a various information. You can also sign up here, and here is how it works. And then we have here, if we scroll down, a lot of various information like high quality low latency turbo model. We have built faster than ever, easy integration on any web page, enterprise ready. See how developers and businesses are leveraging speech APA. We have here featured products and services, conversational EA. Then we have here APA plans that scale with you. We have the Pro One, Scale, Enterprise, and then we have build natural voices into your product. Then we have 11 million character, 3-month free, scale capacity. Then we have here frequently asked question. The first one we have, can I get support during the integration process? So you can just click over here and get your answer. How do I get started with the APA? How secure is my data with ElevenLabs? We have also what is the latency and output quality when using on PA. We have what is ElevenLabs grants and how can it benefit my startup? And this is it with APA. So let's come back to the top here. So we have here also pricing. So absolutely it's for free, and for individual who want to try out the most advanced AI audio, we have 10k characters per month, 10 minutes audio, and we have here what include. First thing we have generate speech in 32 languages using thousands of unique voices, translate content with automatic dubbing, create custom synthetic voices, generate sound effects, API access. So this is for pricing here. Then we have here company, about safety, block, colors, and you can just select the one you want and no more information about it. So in the homepage here we have create the most realistic speech with our EA audio platform, pioneering research in text-to-speech, AI voice generator, and more. So to get started, all I have to do is click over here, but let's give it a try first of all. So we have here, you choose the language you want here, Arabic, Danish, Dutch, or other things. You can use the mode of telling story or introduce a podcast, create a video here, and then you choose the actor you want like Brian, Chris, Daniel, Eric, Charles, Jessica, Sarah, Walt, Matilda, George, Eric, Daniel, Charlo, Charlie, Campbell, Brian, and Alex also. And then we have here the options. We have here text to speech, speech to speech, dubbing also.
I've interviewed some of the best
We have
CEOs.
text to SVX. You choose the first one, a powerful line roaring in the African, the sound of waves crashing against a large rock in the ocean, fireworks exploding in the night sky, and a dog barking in the park. And the last things we have voice cloning. We
Sherlock
have
Holmes's
literally
quick eye
original
took
and
in my
literally
old
clone.
Sherlock
So you can see
Holmes's quick
we
eye.
have
All right, so get
Chris
this. I'm at this new cat. All right, so get
and we
this.
have Laura.
Hey foodies! Hey foodies, let's get cooking with some
If we scroll
delicious
down, we
vegan
have your
meal prep
voices fit
ideas.
for all of your
Tip number
ideas,
1, plan your
and then
meals
we
in
have
advance
making
to save
content
time and
universally
ensure you have all
accessible,
the necessary
complete
ingredients on
voice
hand.
AI tools,
Tip number 2,
AI safety
invest in
at
quality storage
ElevenLabs.
containers to keep your
We have
prepped meals
empowering
fresh and
businesses,
organized.
creative minds, and people worldwide. We have AI audio solutions for any skill or need. The first thing we have creators, scale your productions, and expand your reach globally without compromising on quality. Teams we have simplify managing and collaborating on projects with flexible AI workflows. Enterprise we have access our advanced models with dedicated support at a price point that scales with you. You have here our creative site of AI audio tools, imagines, professional workflows. You have your dubbing studio projects, audio nations, and you have latest updates. Then you have here create with the highest quality. So to get started, all you have to do is click over get started and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with 11labs.io. So it's free easy. You can just get your confirmation in your email and you enter without any problem and any obstacles. All you have to do is write your email address and your password and get started. So this is the home page. We have here all various things like speech first, have a generate and history, and also we have simple and advanced here. Then we have here you choose the actor you want. In settings we have here stability, more variable or more stable. Similarity we have low, high, still exaggeration we have no one, too exaggerated. Then we have here speaker boost, you can just switch on or switch off. Then we have here voices, library here, as you can see. We have also personal, community, default. This is about voices. Then we have sound effects, discover your sound effect and then click generate. We have settings here, you can just automatically pick the best lines. Prompt influence, you can just return it follow prompt. Then we have here explore, have animals, bass, bombs, prompts, bass, and other things. Have local topics, and we have here history. Then we have here voiceover studio. You can just create voiceover. Then we have here dubbing studio. What can you use dubbing for? So first thing we have social media content, media and entertainment, marketing, education, and e-learning. Then we have audio native here. You can just get started with
Logic will get
audio
you from
native,
A to B.
as you can see. Also,
Imagination
you
will
can
take
play
you
video
everywhere.
here, as you can see,
ElevenLabs introduces audio native.
and that's it with audio native. And then we have here voice isolator. You can just upload audio, or you can record audio, or also you can watch demo. So this is it for ElevenLabs.io. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.